Okay, so I'm hyped. I'm hyped to be back. Finally. Okay, so today's video is going to be about the top 10 SUVs in India. Okay, this is my opinion. Everyone has their own opinions, but yeah, according to me, I've ranked them based on performance, not on price, but on the performance. And I'll be telling you the SUV, the price, the mileage it gives, the different variations and the models, the gear types, number of gears, and few other things that separate out few SUVs from the rest. So let's start. Okay, so sitting comfortably in the 10th place is Tata Harrier. This is even though it's 10th, this is amongst one of the best SUVs on road. It gives around 70 km per liter mileage, and I'm giving you this variation in mileage because they have both manual and automatic. So based on the variation, the mileage differs. I would say the best variation would be manual diesel variation, manual diesel type. I'm saying variation too many times. Okay, the price for this varies from around 14 lakhs to 20 lakhs, and it comes in both manual and automatic. Tata Harrier has 6 gear. It's a 6-speed gear engine. Top speed is around 180 kilometers per hour, and this SUV comes with diesel and petrol and automatic and manual. And then next, this is a surprising SUV. Many people, actually, the sales of this SUV is amongst one of the highest in India, which is Toyota Fortuner. Yep, Fortuner. And it has paddle shift, and it gives a pretty good mileage for the weight of the car. It gives around 10 kilometers to 15 kilometers per liter, and top speed is 150 to 160 kilometers per hour. It comes in both manual and automatic, and diesel and petrol engine, and it has a 6-speed gear engine. In the 8th position, we have Tata Nexon. It performs really well. The mileage it gives is around 17 to 22 kilometers per liter. It's the price is very good. It's really reasonable. It's starts off at 6.95 lakhs, and the highest model is 12 lakhs. It has a 6-speed engine, comes in both manual and automatic with petrol and diesel engine, and the top speed is 180 kilometers per hour, which is pretty good. It's very good. The performance of this car is just unbeatable. So there we have it. 8th place, Tata Nexon. And then 7th place. Okay, this is personally my favorite SUV. It should have been number 1, but I'm not doing justice to the rest of the SUVs. So this SUV comes at a beautiful 7th place, which is Mahindra Thar. Yeah, Mahindra Thar. Okay, this is quoted at around 9.17 lakhs to 9.99, close to 10 lakhs. And Mahindra Thar, it gives a mileage of around 17 kilometers per liter. The best part about the reason Mahindra Thar gives such a beautiful mileage is because it's a manual transmission with a diesel engine. It's just beautiful. It performs perfectly. It performs wonderfully. Performs graciously. Okay, it performs well. And it's a 6-speed gear engine, gearbox. It has 6-speed gearbox, and it reaches up to 155 to 160 kilometers per hour. Yeah, so that's at 7th place. And then in 6th place we have Vitara Brezza, Maruti Vitara Brezza. Okay, about this was a revolutionary SUV for the Maruti brand. The sales of this SUV was pretty good. So Maruti did face a problem in terms of production, because they didn't anticipate the demand for Vitara Brezza, and then that's when they came up with the new model of double colored. The top half is a different color, the bottom half is a different color. That's when they decided to start a new model. So this SUV is a slightly different. It's around 7.3 lakhs to 11 to 11.5 lakhs. It's a 4-speed gearbox, and comes in both manual, automatic, and it's a petrol engine. The speed it gives around 180 kilometers per hour, so it's pretty good, and the mileage comes around 17 to 90 kilometers per liter. It's very good SUV. Okay, in the 5th place we have Mahindra Scorpio. Yeah, the price is around 12.4 lakhs to 16 lakhs depending upon the variation. Gives a mileage of around 16 to 18 kilometers per liter. It's a manual transmission in a diesel engine, so it gives a good speed. It reaches up to 165 to 170 kilometers per hour, and it's a 6-speed gear transmission. Sorry. In the 4th place we have Hyundai Venue. It's priced at around 6.7 lakhs to 12 lakhs depending upon the variation, and the mileage is around 18 to 23 kilometers per liter, which is amongst the best in the entire SUV range. So it gives a wonderful mileage. Comes with automatic, manual, petrol and diesel variations, and it's a 7-speed gear transmission. Insane. Down to the top 3 of my list of top 10 SUVs in India. Okay, at number 3 we have Hyundai Creta. Okay, talking about Creta. Talking about Hyundai Creta is priced at around 9.9 lakhs to 17 lakhs, the highest model, and which also comes in diesel, petrol, automatic and manual. Yeah. And this beauty of a car gives beauty of an SUV, sorry, gives at around 16.9, 17 to 20 kilometers per liter mileage, 7-speed gear transmission, and top speed at 180 kilometers per hour. Wow. Yup. Okay, so that's Hyundai Creta, standing at 3rd place. And number two, MG Hector. Okay, the reason why I put MG Hector in 2nd place is because it has a beautiful engine. It has around 1950 cc, and the price range for such a high performance car, high performance SUV is pretty good. 12 lakhs to 18 lakhs, and which also comes in manual, automatic, petrol, diesel, and gives a mileage around 15 to 18 kilometers per liter. Highest speed reaches around 185 to 190 kilometers per hour. Pretty good. You know that it's a bulky vehicle and it reaches close to 190 kilometers per hour, which is wonderful, and it's because of the engine, which is why it's a second place. In first place, we have Seltos, Kia Seltos. Yup, you heard me right. Price range starts at 9 lakhs, ends at 17 lakhs. Second, the mileage 16 to 21 kilometers per liter, which is very good. And then third, its engine 1493 to 1500 cc engine, and 6-speed gearbox. The beautiful part about this car is that the maintenance cost is incredibly cheap. It's unbelievably did I just forget how to say unbelievable? It's unbelievably cheap. You know, good performance. It's a top end model. It's a new company, including MG Hector. But yeah, it's a new company. So you know, they're trying to keep up with the Indian standard Indian companies. So that's the reason they've reduced down the maintenance cost. You know, so they want to be in a league of their own. There are a few SUVs that didn't make it to the list, but are just very good. One, Mahindra XUV 500. It's just what? That's one massive SUV. Oh, okay. So Mahindra XUV. Price range 13.8 to 16 lakhs. And then we have Ford EcoSport. Ford EcoSport is a sporty vehicle, comes in 3 different models. Okay, so that ends this video. My next video will be on your screens shortly. Okay, so guys, don't just watch the video. No. Subscribe. You gotta subscribe. Please. You gotta subscribe. Okay. See you. Bye-bye.